students, in our previous class we discussed some basic problems in the pair of straight line equation. Now today we discussed one concept in the pair of straight line equation. Already we have the idea. The standard form of pair of straight line equation is this one: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is our pair of straight line equation. It represented two lines which are passing through the origin. Okay. In finding of our standard form, we are considering these equations are in this form: a1x plus b1y equal to 0, a2x plus b2y equal to 0. Like this we are taking. Okay, right. But today we are discussing, that means we are taking the straight line equation in the general form. Suppose if we take the straight line equation in the slope intercept form. What is the slope intercept form in straight line? Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Suppose c value equal to 0, that straight line is passing through the origin. So today I am just taking the another model. Okay, suppose if we take that, we get the most of the concepts. Okay, in this way it is very easy also. Suppose let y equal to m1x is represented two straight lines which are passing through the origin. So I am taking the two straight lines like this: y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x. These are the two straight lines. So I am taking that m1x minus y equal to 0. So this is our first straight line, and m2x minus y equal to 0. This is our second straight line equation. That means suppose if we multiply both these two equations, then also we are getting that this pair of straight line equation. But the model is different, because here now we are taking the straight line equations in the form slope intercept form. Okay, right. So the combined equation is already we know that if you just multiply these values, m1x minus y into m2x minus y equal to 0. m2x minus y equal to 0. Okay, right. So you just multiply these two values: m1 m2 x square minus m1 xy minus m2 xy minus into minus plus y square equal to 0. m1 m2 x square minus, here if we take the minus xy is the common, m1 plus m2 into xy plus y square equal to 0. Just compare with ax square minus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Here not minus, plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Okay, you just observe here y square is there, here by square is there. That means here by square coefficient is b. So on both sides I am dividing by b. If I dividing by b, a by b x square plus 2h by b into xy plus y square equal to 0. Now you just compare these values here. Okay, first equation, second equation. Okay, compare 1 and 2. We are getting very easily. What is that? Minus m1 plus m2. That means these are the two roots. m1 comma m2 are the roots of the straight lines. Minus of m1 plus m2 equal to, what is this value xy coefficient? 2h by b. So m1 plus m2, sum of the slopes is minus 2h by b. This is one formula, and you just take that So here compare 1 and 2 equations. Okay, so m1 into m2 in this place, m1 into m2 equal to what is that? A by b. That means product of the two slopes is, what is our value? A by b. These 2 points are most important points. Suppose our pair of straight line equation is given that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. If it represents two lines, okay, two lines which are having the slopes m1 comma m2, m1 comma m2, what is our concept? Sum of the slopes m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h by b. Product of the slopes is equal to a by b. This is our concept. This is our concept. Okay, so these are the main points: sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. Okay, in your mind you fix that. Suppose this type of equation given, sum of the slopes is minus 2h by b, product of the slopes is a by b. Okay, just fix this in your mind, and this is the process. Okay, easy process. Okay, we are getting these formulas by just taking the straight lines in the form of slope intercept form. The two straight lines are also already, you know that they are passing through the origin. The diagram is like this. Already we are having the idea on the diagram. Okay, this is the first line. The slope is m1. Second line, slope is m2. Okay, y equal to m1x, y equal to m2x. Slopes I am just writing. Okay, like this. Both are passing through the origin. The sum of the slopes is this one. Product of the slopes is like this. Okay, right. Just note and practice this concept. Okay, fix that concept in your mind. Okay, according to this I am just discussing the another equation also. It is also very simple. Okay, right. So this is our concept. Now I am erasing this. Here you just write down sum of slopes, product of slopes. Okay, so this is our concept. Now I am erasing. Right here also. Our pair of straight line equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Standard form. Passing through, it represents two straight lines passing through the origin. Already we are having this idea. Let y equal to mx. I am not taking the m1x, m2x. I am not taking the two lines. Suppose y equal to mx. In the two lines, suppose if one line is y equal to mx, then that means this line is included in the two lines, any one line. Okay, suppose if you want to find the, that means you just submit these values in that equation. Ax square plus 2hx in the place of y, if I put mx plus b into mx whole square equal to 0. So ax square plus 2hm into x square plus bm square into x square equal to 0. If I take x square is the common, a plus 2hm plus bm square equal to 0. You just take this x square into this side. You are getting that bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0. You just observe here, this is a quadratic equation in terms of m. In terms of what is that? M square, m and constant. It is a quadratic equation in terms of m. Okay, this equation is called auxiliary equation. What it is called? Auxiliary equation. From this concept also you can easily find the sum of the slopes and the product of the slopes. Already you are having that. here m square. Okay, the quadratic equation in terms of m square means you are getting the two roots. What are the two roots? One is m1 and another one is m2. Already you are having the idea in quadratic equations. What is the quadratic equations? Sum of the roots. If m1 comma m2 are the roots of above equation, if you are thinking like this, m1 comma m2 are the two roots of the above this auxiliary equation. What is the sum of the roots? Already you are having this idea. Minus b by a. Minus b. Minus b means minus 2h by principal coefficient. Here what is that? B. Previously we discussed this. And product of the slopes. Alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta. What is the product of the slopes? C by a. In the place of C you are having a. Principal coefficient is b. Already we discussed this concept. Sum of the slopes and the product of the slopes. Okay. So from this concept also we can easily find the sum of the slopes and the product of the slopes. And another method is also there. Here we are discussing one quadratic equation in terms of m. What is the quadratic equation? bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0. This quadratic equation is called, what is that? Auxiliary equation. What is that? Auxiliary equation. If we have the good idea on these concepts, remaining concepts are also very easy. Okay, we can derive that concepts according to this very easily. Okay, right. So this is, don't forget the auxiliary equation, sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Okay, simply sum of the slopes and the product of the slopes. Right. So already we discussed this problem as diagram. Same diagram. Okay. The two lines are compulsory passing through the origin. Like this. Here I am taking the two lines in the first quadrant. You can take the first and second, whatever it may be. The two lines must be passes through the origin. That is most important. Understand? Don't worry. Right. I am erasing this concept. Okay. Just note down and practice this auxiliary equation. In our textbook, he given another method, but this method is very easily we can derive. Okay. Right. Here I am discussing some more problems in this concept. The sum of the slopes of the line, I am writing the problem. The sum of the slopes of the lines represented by x square plus kxy minus 3y square equal to 0 is twice their product. Okay, we have to find k. Find what is the k value. In our equation, one value is not given, that is k. Okay, remind all the constants are given, right? So you just check here x square plus kxy minus 3y square equal to 0. Okay, this pair of straight line equation is given. You just observe the question. The sum of the slopes of the lines. Sum of the slopes of the lines means m1 plus m2. Sum of the slopes of the lines. Actually, we are not separating. Just we are taking the m1 comma m2 for the two slopes. Sum of the slopes, that means m1 plus m2 of this, okay, is twice their product. Their product means m1 and m2. Okay, here I am just taking that solution. Given x square plus kxy minus 3y square equal to 0. Compare. Suppose if we write compare, then first we have to write down the what is that value, a value, h value, like this. If we have that clarity, then problems are become easy. A equal to what is that, 1. Good. Next 2h equal to k, 2h equal to k, h equal to k by 2, and b equal to minus 3. These are the three values from problem. Okay, I am taking that m1 plus m2 sum of the slopes, m1 m2 product of the slopes. You just observe that sum of the slopes is twice. Okay, this value is twice of this value, twice of this value. So like this. Okay, suppose this value is 1, 1 into 2, 2 times it will become like this. So here carefully you have to write down the condition here. Suppose if you are doing the mistake in this situation, okay, the total problem will become wrong. So that's why sum of the slopes is twice that of product of the slopes. Okay, what is the sum of the slopes? Already discussed in our previous concept. What is the sum of the slopes? Minus 2h by b equal to 2 into what is that? A by b. Product of the slopes is a by b. Okay, right. So you just here get 2 to get cancelled. Here I think b is also cancelled. If we have the clarity, this problem is very easy. So minus h equal to a. Minus h equal to means what is the minus h? Minus k by 2 equal to a. A means 1. So k equal to what is that? Minus 2. This is our problem. So very easy problem. If you are doing any mistake in this case, in this step, the total problem will become wrong. And compulsory we have the idea on the sum of the slopes and product of the slopes, sum of the slopes value and product of the slopes value. If we have this clarity,